Follow these steps to create Reddit account. First, make sure you have already downloaded Reddit app on your device. If not, you can head towards Play Store or App Store, search for the app Reddit and then install it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You will be directed to this page. Now, in order to create account, what you have to do is click on this icon given at the top right corner. Click on the option sign up or login. Now you're gonna get different options. You can use Google, Apple, or you can continue with email to create your account. Select any of the option according to your choice. I'm gonna select continue with email. Now go ahead and type in your email address over here. After you type in, click on continue. Now you'll be receiving verification code in the email address that you have just entered. So go ahead and check your mail and type in the code over here. After you type in the code, click on continue. Now go ahead and generate username for your Reddit account. Once you set your username, you won't be able to change it. After you type in, click on continue. Now set a password. Then click on continue. How do you identify? Select it. Now select your interest. And with that, your Reddit account will be created. So this way you are able to create your Reddit account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.